Hellcat.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be a challenge video and it's going to be a fun one. I've seen this trend going on YouTube for some days now, so I decided to jump on the train. You know, it's fun and I love fun challenges like this. So this is going to be a challenge that SisiYemmie started. If you don't know SisiYemmie, she is a food blogger in Nigeria. She cooked a meal with 1,500 Naira. So people are jumping on this challenge and I wanted to do that too because I think it's going to be fun. Trying to cook with 1,500 Naira. I thought last night when I checked, 1,500 Naira was $3.90. Yes, $3.90. So if I take $3.90 to McDonald's, I don't think I can buy me something good to eat. So I want to see if I can make something happen with $3.90. It's going to be a tough one because I don't know what to buy with $3.90. Okay, so I'm going to be cooking for two people, myself and my oldest daughter, because the twins does not care for, I don't know what they want to eat. Grandma will settle them when they want to eat. And the little one will just eat from me. So I'm basically cooking for myself and my oldest. As you know, my husband, if you don't know, my husband is not home, he's deployed. So it's just me and my oldest daughter. So I'm going to be cooking something for the two of us for dinner today with only $3.90. Guys, this is going to be a very tough one. So I'm going to go in the store right now and see what I can get. Okay, guys, I'm back from the store and guess what? I went to two different stores before I could finally get what I needed, what I want. And I'm going to show you what I got real quick. But before I do that, if you are seeing this face for the first time, you are welcome to the family. Do well by joining this family. And you can do this by clicking on the subscribe button down below. And make sure your bell is on so you can be notified whenever I drop a new content. And to my returning subscribers, you are welcome back. Thank you so much for always clicking on my videos. Thank you for watching. God bless you. So let me show you what I got real quick. Okay, I am going to be cooking potatoes and steak. Guys, I got me two medium-sized, we can say medium-sized potatoes. These were 48 cents per pound. I picked up two. And I found this meat, this steak. I don't know if it's showing upside down. Okay, well, this was $1.83 right there. And then the last thing that I got was spring onions. This is 48 cents. So, let me show you my recipe. So basically, I'm going to be cooking baked potatoes and steak. So I have seasonings. I didn't buy any seasoning. Apparently, I can't buy any seasoning in $3.90. So I have seasonings at home. I have butter at home. So I didn't buy any of those items. So I also have cheese at home. So I didn't buy that. Let me find my receipt and show you guys how much I spent and how much I have left. So I went to Winco. Foods. And the potatoes was 72 cents for both of them. 72 cents. Then the spring onions, that's the green onion, was 48 cents. Then the steak was $1.83 with a total of $3.03. I gave her $5. Well, my tax was 28 cents. So I gave her $5. And I got back my $1.69 change. So I spent $3.31, guys. I did not even spend all the $3.90. I spent $3.31. So, guys, do you think I did good? I'm going to be cooking steak and baked potatoes tonight with only $3.31. I cannot believe I did that. So, yeah, I'm super proud of myself already. And I know today's dinner is going to be super. So, yeah. I'm gonna be cooking this in a little bit, and I'll be cleaning as well, because as you know that I do cleaning videos, so I'm gonna incorporate some cleaning into this video because I like to clean as I go, so I don't have too much to clean at the end of the day. So yeah, if you want to see how this delicious meal came out, then keep watching. Okay, so now it's time to cook my potatoes. So I'm just stabbing it. I've seen people do it on YouTube. I don't know why. I think so it can cook all the way. I don't know. This is how I cook my potatoes. My daughter just wanted to help, so I'm just stabbing it with a fork. Yeah, she said she wanted to help me cook. I'm trying to teach her how to cook some major meals, so that's what we're doing here. Now I'm putting some olive oil, then I'm going to sprinkle some salt all over it before I wrap it up in the foil. 그냥 웃음만 짓게 돼. Don't know what to say. You were just like one spring day. 설레임을 주는 걸 언젠가부터였을까. 기다림의 끝에 너를 만났고 모든 게 새로 느껴. So now I'm done with the potatoes. Here's my meat. I already marinated it for about 3 hours. These are my seasonings, garlic and salt, onion powder, and some steak seasoning. So my oven's already preheated to 350 degrees. So I'm gonna cook potatoes for an hour. I'll be checking on the meat every now and then. So here I'm chopping up my spring onions to garnish my potatoes. My daughter still wanted to help, so I let her. A little far away. 내게로 가서 melt your heart. 조금 서툴지만 이해해줄래. 동화 속에서만 보던 just like shining star. So while the potatoes and the steak is cooking, I'm going to start cleaning up. So, because I know by the time I finish cooking, I'm going to be tired. So I don't want to do too much of cleaning when I get done eating dinner. So I'm just cleaning the kitchen right now. I'm just wiping down the dining table because the kids made a big mess after school. They splashed juice and everything. So I'm cleaning the dining table. I'm going to clean the countertops and do the dishes, the few dishes that I have, and put them in the dishwasher. I'm not offloading the dishwasher today. I'm going to be doing that in the morning. I don't think I'm going to mop the floor either. I'm just going to sweep, and that will be it for today. Tomorrow is Saturday. I'm going to do a deep cleaning. Is it just me, or do somebody else out there like to hand wash their dishes? I like to hand wash my dishes. So, and especially when it's not a lot of dishes, I like to hand wash it and put them in the dishwasher to drain before I put them up. So sometimes I do run my dishwasher every other day, but most of the time I wash my dishes by hand and then I load them in the dishwasher to drain before I put them away. Because I'm empty in my heart to you, yeah. Sa-dum dum dum dum, sa-dum dum dum da 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 da. Everything is so right. 서로가 마주하는 이곳. We've been waiting for a love like this, my love. Yeah, now. Oh, no, no. For some reason, I couldn't find the clip of me sweeping the floor. So yeah, I do mop every other day, but today I only swept. I couldn't find it. So yeah, okay, let's keep watching.
기다림의 끝에 너를 만났고 모든 게 새로 느껴져 something in my heart 이 맘 전하고 싶어.
Okay guys, let me show you what I'm doing. Yeah, I put some cheese and spring onions. Now I'm putting butter on it. So this is my steak. My daughter is putting bacon bits on hers. I'm not putting bacon bits on mine. And I put some black pepper too. So yeah, we're just gonna sit back and enjoy our dinner. I love it when we eat together as a family. My daughter always tells me she likes it when we do that. So I try as much as possible to eat together at least once a day, which is a dinner with everybody at the dining table. So that's what we're doing here. The little one is just messing around. I don't know what she's doing. The twins, one of them is having rice and the other one is having cereal. Yes, she's eating cereal for dinner. Okay guys, I am finally done with this challenge. I just finished eating dinner right now and I'm so full and tired at the same time. I'm glad I was able to clean along as I was going, because right now I'm just tired and I'm ready to go to bed. Tomorrow is Saturday. There's no need to wake up early, so I'm going to sleep in. So guys, I actually did this challenge and it was supposed to be 1,500 Naira, which is $3.90. I said last night, but I actually spent $3.31, guys. Can you believe that? I spent $3.31 and I had a good dinner. So yes, it is absolutely possible to do, but it's a tough one. It took me hours of walking around in the store before I finally came up with that idea. So I am so proud of myself and I'm so happy I was able to be a participant of this challenge. Thank you, SisiYemmie, for challenging us to do this, and I'm so glad I was able to do it. So guys, I'm gonna end this video right now. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'll be so happy to have you as a part of my family. And to my returning subscribers, I always appreciate you guys. You guys are the best. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna talk to you later in my next video. Until then, stay blessed and bye bye.